Hi, hello, welcome to the channel TechNest. In this channel, you're going to learn about different technologies, different programming languages which helps you to build up the skills, etc. Without any delay, let's get into the video. By now, by the thumbnail, you might already know what we are getting into, right? So yes, we are going to learn about the Dart programming language. But in this particular video, we are going to learn about the Dart introduction, where is Dart particularly used, why should one learn Dart, etc. Right? Let's get into the video. What is Dart? Dart is generally a programming language which is developed by Google, which might also be known as an open source programming language. Where it is used? It is mainly used to build mobile, web, and desktop applications. Dart is the language behind Flutter, which is a popular framework for creating cross-platform apps. That means Flutter. We'll see the basic introduction of Flutter 2 in this video. But why should one learn Dart? It is an easy to learn for the beginners, powerful and fast for app development, used in Flutter, which is in high demand. Which is nothing but Dart has a simple and readable text, which is similar to Java, JavaScript, etc. It is also a fast performance, which is nothing but Dart compiles to native machine code, making apps high efficient. Now we'll see what is Flutter. If you have no idea, it is totally fine. Now we are going to go through Flutter 2. Flutter is nothing but an user interface framework which is also developed by Google to build cross-platform applications using a single code base. What does mean by single code base? It is nothing but if you write a single code, you can run that single code in multiple platforms, right? That means it allows developers to create apps for Android, iOS, web, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux with just one programming language, which is nothing but Dart. Flutter provides pre-built widgets, making it easy to design beautiful and responsive user interfaces, right? Here, the key point to be noted is that widgets plays a vital role in the Flutter framework. What are widgets? Widgets are nothing but the building blocks of a Flutter applications. Like everything in the Flutter is a widgets, which are nothing but the buttons, the text you send, the images, layouts, animations, etc. Widgets help developers create beautiful, responsive, and interactive UI elements. There are different types of widgets in Flutter 2, which you're going to learn in the further tutorials. What are the features of Dart programming language? Those are easy to understand, object-oriented programming, open source, browser support, etc. By this, we have understood that Dart is nothing but a programming language. Flutter is a framework that uses Dart language to build apps. That means you write Dart code to develop Flutter applications for multiple platforms. Now let us get into the coding part of basic Dart program, right? Yes. For that, we'll just open VS Code. Yes. Now for the Dart programming language, we generally use a main function. We use main function. In Dart, the main function is generally a predefined method which acts as an entry point to the application. That means it needs a main method for the execution of code. The code goes like this. We'll just use print statement for that. We'll just write hello world or hello Dart. And just run. errors. Yeah. As the other programming language, we have as I have already mentioned, as Java, similar to Java, we'll just use this. Now we'll just run it. Let's use, yes, here we go. We got the output hello dot. Here the print command is a predefined function too, which prints the specific string or the value of the standard input. Right? So yeah, about the code, the main function here, it is a symbol that means the data entered in it is directly executed by the compiler. And the line hello print dot, here it is quite simple that it just prints the data during the compilation of the program, right? Yes. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share, subscribe too.